The accounts of Flex Manufacturing Company for the year ending 31/3/2013. So they are asking to prepare cost sheet. So this is also one of the examples for how to prepare the cost sheet. So here they have given the information of a Flex Manufacturing Company for the year ending 31st March. So here production wages they are paying 2,50,000, and director material they have used 3,18,200, and chargeable expenses which are 30,000, and sales, so the year sales. So they have given the year information. So here the year sales are 7,80,000 rupees. They have made sales in that year, and drawing office salaries. So they are paying 10,000 of salaries in the office staff and counting office salary, and they're having the manufacturing company, so there will be a counting officer to count the product. So for that they are paying rupees of 18,800, and cash discount allowed 3,000. Here the cash discount is not taken in preparation of cost sheet, but they have given in the information. And carriage outward, so they are paying the 5,400 rupees per year, and bad debt written off. So they are writing off the bad debts. Those are 8,500 rupees, and they are paying rent, rates, and taxes per the year. For the year office, they are paying 4,000 rent, and works, that means factory, for that they are paying 15,400 rupees, and they are also paying traveling expenses for their employees. Or so those are 3,600, and traveler salary and commission. So they are whoever traveling for the company, they are paying salaries to them, they are paying the expenses of them, and they are also giving commission to the travelers, traveling people. Those are 8,500 for a year. And the depreciation on plant and machine, so that is 6,500. Depreciation on office furniture, that is 1,000. And director's fees 12,000, and gas and water. So they are using the 3 by 4th for factory, 1 by 4th for office, for which they have paid 2,800, and manager salary also distributed between factory and office, that with the ratio of 3 is to 1, that means 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. And general expenses 4,000, and hire of crane. Maybe they are producing the big products which weights a lot, which cannot be uh, taken by person, so they are using crane for that. They are paying 5,000 per year. And donations to charitable trust, they are donating to charitable trust, that is 2,000. Now let's see the preparation of cost sheet. We have seen the information given by the manufacturing company. Here the preparation of cost sheet. So first we have to take the direct material which they have used for production, that is 3,18,200, and production wages which are included in prime cost, those are 2,50,000, and chargeable expenses are also charged to the prime cost, that is 30,000. Here the total becomes for prime cost, that is 5,98,200 is the prime cost. Now next we have to calculate the factory overhead, which is also called as works overhead. That means these expenses incurs in a factory operation, and these are related to the factory. So because the company is a manufacturing company, so they definitely will be having the factory expenses. So here the drawing office salaries are 10,000, and rent rate and taxes, that works means factory, so those are 15,400, and depreciation on plant and machinery, which is also related to the factory, so they are charging this depreciation to the factory overhead, that is 6,500, and gas and water. So as earlier we have seen that they are using the third portion of water and gas for factory. So by calculating that, we are getting 2,100 rupees per for factory overheads, and manager salaries is also distributed as 3:1 ratio. So after calculation, that is 18,000 for manager salary, and hire of crane. So hire of crane, that is 5,000. So these are the factory overhead which are added to the prime cost after calculating them. So after calculation, the factory overheads are 57,000. And these factory overheads are added to the prime cost. So after adding, we'll get the factory cost, that is 6,55,200. Now we have to add the office and selling overheads, and here we are taking them directly. Office and administration, counting officer salary is 18,800, carriage outward, that is 5,400. Carriage outward means it is almost related to sales or distribution, that means after production. So here we are taking in the selling overheads, and bad debts the writing off from so 8,500 they are writing off, and rent rates and taxes which they have paid, that is 4,000, and traveling expenses, so it will comes under selling expenses. So why, that is why we are taking in selling overhead, that is 3,600, and traveler salaries and commission, that is 8,500, which we are taking in the selling overhead, and depreciation on office furniture, so it will come under office overhead. So why here we are taking them, so that is 1,000 per year, and directors fees, that is 12,000, and gas and water, here the office is only using 1/4 of the water from total water and gas, so that is 700 rupees per year, and manager salaries is also divided as 3:1 ratios. One ratio is 6,000, and general expenses over there, so they are adding to the office overhead. So here that those are 4,000. So the total of office and selling overhead is 72,500. So these are added to the factory cost to get the total cost or cost of goods sold, that is 7,27,200. So they made sales of rupees 7,80,000. So to get the profit which they have gained in the year, we have to deduct the total cost from sales. So after deducting the total cost from sales, here the profit for that company for that the 31st March 2013, that is 52,300 is the profit for the company according to the given information. So these are the details for year. So they are calculating, they given the ending information, ending year of information. So let's see the another example for preparation of cost sheet. So here the following particulars have been extracted from the books of Calcutta Manufacturing Company Limited for the year ended of 31st March 2013. This is also a year information to prepare cost sheet. So here the stock of material as on 1st April 2012, that is the opening stock of material, that is 47,000. And they are also having the closing stock of material on 31st March 2013, that is 50,000. And material purchased, so they have purchased material during the year to manufacture the product, so that is 2,08,000. And the drawing officer salary is 9,600. And they are also having the counting house, and they are paying salaries to the employees 14,000 per year. And carriage inwards, that is 8,200. That means the purchase related to purchase, these carriage inwards is related to purchases. And carriage outwards, so this carriage outwards is related to the selling purpose after final product, to move the products from one place to another place. So those carriage is called carriage outwards, that is 5,100. And they also given information about cash discount, which is not included in the cost preparation of cost sheet. And they are again writing of the bad debts, as we seen in the previous problem. Bad debts written off 4,700 rupees. And repairs of plant and machinery and tools, plant machinery and tools, that is 10,600 during the year. And rent, rates, taxes and insurance for factory, they are paying 3,000 per year. And same they are also paying for factory, rent, rates, taxes, those are 1,000. And they are having the traveling expenses, those are 3,100. And they are having traveling salaries and commission also, that is 8,400. And production wages, they are paying 1,40,000 rupees per year. And depreciation on plant and tools, that is 7,100. Directors fees, so depreciation written off on furniture, that is 600. Directors fees, that is 6,000. And gas and water for factory, that is 1,500. And gas and water for office, that is 300. And general charges are there, those are 5,000. And manager salary is 12,000. And here they are also giving some extra information, which is additional information, which is useful in the preparation of cost sheets. Let's see what the information they are giving us. So out of 48 working hours in a week, so they are working 48 hours in a week. The time devoted by the manager to the factory and office on an average 40 hours and 8 hours respectively. So this is the information about the manager who is taking care of the factory and office. So he is spending 40 hours in the factory and 8 hours in the office. So throughout the accounting year, prepare the card sheet. So he is spending throughout the year. So let's see how it looks when we prepare the cost sheet. So here, first as usual, we have to take the material consumer or materials details to calculate the prime cost. So here we have opening stock of material, that is 47,000 rupees. And then they made purchases during the year, those are 2,08,000 rupees. And carriage inwards is 8,200. Total becomes, that is material consumed, not material consumed, that is 2,63,200. So after deducting closing stock, we will get the material consumed details. So here closing stock of material is 50,000 they have in the year ending. So that is after deducting those 50,000, we are getting the 2,13,200. And to get the prime cost, we have to add the production wages which they have spent during the year. That is, those are 1,40,000. So after adding, the total becomes 3,53,200, which is called as prime cost. And then factory overheads. So to get the factory cost, we have to add the factory overheads to the prime cost. And rent and rates, they are paying 3,000 for factory. And drawing officer salary, they are paying 9,600 during the year. Depreciation on plant, they are calculating 7,100 depreciation on plant. Repairs, so they made repairs, some repairs in the year. So those are costing 10,600 rupees of repairs they made during the year. And factory gas and power, that is 1,500. And manager salary, so here we have to calculate the manager salary is 12,000 per year. So here he spent, when we are calculating the factory overhead, we have to calculate according to the hours he spent in the factory. So he spent 40 hours in the factory. So the 12,000 rupees ratio, 40 hours ratio is taken from the 12,000. So here that is 10,000. So here the total becomes for factory overheads, that is 41,800. So these are added to the prime cost. So after adding these, 3,95,000 rupees or factory costs. So here, and to get the cost of for goods sold, we have to add the office and administration overheads to the factory cost. So office rent and rates, those are 1,000 rupees. And depreciation of furniture, that is 600 for the year. Director's fee, they are paying 6,000 per year. And gas and water, those are 300. General charges, those are 5,000 rupees per year they are spending. And next, manager salary, here he is spending only 8 hours in the office. So we have to calculate from 12,000 rupees. So here after calculating, we are getting 2,000 rupees for office overhead, under office overheads. And counting house salaries salary is also included in the office and administration expenses. And those are 14,000. So after adding all the expenses, 28,900 is the office and administration overheads. So these after adding these overheads to the factory cost, we are getting the cost of production, that is 4,23,900. And to get the cost of sales or total cost, so selling and distribution overheads are added. So here carriage outwards, they are paying 5,100 rupees for. And bad debts, those are 4,700. They are writing of the bad debts. And traveling expenses, those are 3,100. And they are also having the traveling salaries and the commission, those are 8,400. So these selling and distribution expenses are 21,300 per the year, and these are added to the cost of production. So here 4,45,200 is the total cost. So as given information, they have given only up to the total cost, because they have not given the sales, so we cannot calculate the profit. So here we are ending with the calculation of total cost in this problem. So if there is no any information about sales in the given information, we cannot calculate the profit. So if they have given profit information, so by adding profit and total cost we can calculate the sales, but without sales or profit we cannot calculate either profit or sales. So up to we can calculate the total cost if according to the given information.